Why do you think the American Gunsmithing Institute's teaching method is better than other gunsmithing schools? The reason I think AGI's method is a better approach is from my own personal experience. You see, I went through gunsmithing school, spent 2.5 years at gunsmithing school, and I learned from the undisputed best, and that was Master Gunsmith Bob Dunlap. Well, the problem with that is, most people can't just stop their life and go 2.5 years at a gunsmithing school where you don't make any income and you're spending money both for living expenses and the cost of school and everything else. So at that time in my life, I could do that. I was very young, but I could see that most people can't do that. So that bothered me. And as I was, working in life, operating a manufacturing company, doing gun parts and doing other things, doing gunsmithing, working on the bench, people would come up to me and ask me, hey, my son wants to get into gunsmithing, or I want to get into gunsmithing. How do I go about that? What's the best way? And I'd tell them about the school experience, and most of them would say to me, well, that's great, but I can't really do that. They can't really do that. And they wondered about some of the distance education programs. Well, at the time, AGI didn't exist then, and most of the things were literally, I saw them, they were booklets. They were like old booklets that gave you some basics, and frankly, if you subscribed to a number of good gun magazines, you probably would have gotten almost as much knowledge from as what you got from those. So it was pretty sad extremes. You had campus-based school on one hand, or these little distance education booklet things on the other. And frankly, many of the other online classes haven't moved much past the booklet stage. They just moved it online. So I found out Master Gunsmith Bob Dunlap is going to be retiring, and he had developed the design, function, repair system that he taught us. And you see, we had to memorize how each of these systems worked. And when you understood the system, you could pick up any gun, determine what the systems were. Even if you'd never seen the gun before, you could look at it, determine the systems that it used, determine from that what wasn't working properly, and make the appropriate repair. That's real gunsmithing. Everything else is just throwing parts at it, just being a part swapper. And the only school in the country that was really teaching that was the school that Master Gunsmith Bob Dunlap was teaching. So when he was going to retire, I realized all this information was going to be lost. And I asked him about it. And he said, yeah, I don't have it written down. It's just going to end with me. So I couldn't let that happen. So what I decided to do was put it all on video, step by step, the entire teaching method. And Bob really at first was like, I don't know if I want to do this. I'm going to retire. And I convinced him this has to be done to preserve this. So we spent a couple of years filming the entire design, function, repair process. And it's resulted in the most amazing course that has enabled so many people to become successful gunsmiths. Enough so that I've got so much confidence in it that I guarantee the course for an entire year with people. Nobody else will do that sort of thing with the schooling, but we do. So we want people to truly be gunsmiths. And to do that, you have to understand all the intricacies of how the various systems within a firearm work. Well, from there, by putting it on video, we also solved a couple other problems. We were able to deliver directly to the student in their home. Therefore, they didn't have to leave their job, leave their family situation, and go to college somewhere for a couple of years, giving up their income and laying out a lot of expenses. So it became very affordable when compared to a campus-based program. And frankly, that's the only thing you should ever compare the American Gunsmithing Institute to. There's some other online courses. They don't teach deep design, function, repair. They don't teach all the other things we teach: welding, machining, custom rifle building, custom pistol building, and so on and so on. So I believe that the American Gunsmithing Institute is the only institute, the only gunsmithing school that delivers the campus-based experience as far as knowledge level with additional benefits that you don't even get at the campus. So when I graduated from gunsmithing school, I was on my own. I was a good gunsmith. I'd worked for Master Gunsmith Bob Dunlap after I graduated. But when I went off to other shops, it was just whatever information I still had in my head. And you know, you forget a lot of what you learn in a classroom. So when we created the American Gunsmithing Institute in the video format, we set it up in such a way you can review anything you need to review whenever you need to review it. And that's been a godsend for a lot of people because they get stuck in an area. They can quickly pop in a DVD or online video and determine exactly the information they need to know. They don't have to keep it all in their head. So the entire course is indexed. Also, we recruited many of the top gunsmiths in the country to teach other aspects of our advanced gunsmithing courses, like the Master and the Enhanced Master course, with gunsmiths like Gene Shuey and Daryl Holland and Mark Foster and Fred Zaglin and a number of others. These are people that are masters at their craft and have so much that they've contributed to the industry. You're going to be able to learn directly from them via video. And on top of all of that, we have an ongoing relationship with our students through the Gunsmithing Club of America. And this is a membership where you get continued access to the instructors, to other members, to other gunsmiths, a lot of additional videos, a lot of different support information. So all of those things combined make the experience of the American Gunsmithing Institute, in my view, far superior than a campus-based program. And a campus-based program you have to do within their schedule. With American Gunsmithing Institute, you can move at your own pace what's right for you. So you're not trapped. If you get, busy family life for a little while, you can put the gunsmithing education on short-term pause and then get back to it as soon as you can. But you're not penalized by life. And we all know life happens, right? So you can take as long as you need to with a gunsmithing course. But the other thing is you can go as fast as you want. I didn't want to hold anybody back. And a frustration I had at gunsmithing school was you were always moving to the slowest student. If somebody didn't get something, they slowed the entire class down. I don't like that. You get to learn at whatever pace you desire, at whatever level and speed that you can comprehend, with the benefit of a review whenever you need it. So those are just a few of the reasons why I personally believe, from my experience at a gunsmithing school, my experience gunsmithing, and my experience through the educational process that we teach for over 20 some odd years, almost 30, that this is the best method available. So if you have any questions, contact a student advisor and they'll be sure to help you out.